What is happening, people, and welcome back to Clobber Island. Before I start, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone that's been sending me messages, commenting on the videos and showing their support. I really appreciate it, and obviously it gives me a bit more of a reason, a push to want to put these videos out every single week for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. We do Stone Island and CP Company videos. My name is Tyler, and yeah, let's get into the video. Today we're going to do a box opening, but it's going to be something a little bit different. So normally I sit there with a box and we open it together. Basically, it was delivery day yesterday. I didn't actually get a chance to do that. I had to get it out, I had to get it pictured, I had to get it on the website, I had to get it ready for tilt. When you're a reseller, you're up against it a lot. You're up against time, because every single day that those products are not on sale could be the difference of making profit that month or not. Okay, so it's really important that I need to get my stock as soon as I get it up on the website, get it selling, and see who could possibly be interested in it. Obviously, say for example you're looking for a loom woven jacket, and then you look on my website and it's not there. You then go, all right, I'll look at another seller, and then the next day I put that loom woven on the website because I took too long messing about or didn't get it up on time or whatever. I've lost you as a buyer, I've lost that sale. So it's really important that I need to get stuff out, and sometimes I'm up against it, especially when this month I had a big restock at the start of the month, and then I haven't really had that many over the last couple of weeks because I had a massive one, and then I've been like basically selling it. So I had to wait for my supplier to come back from holiday. So it's been just a lot of mess basically. But yeah, so yesterday we got our first box. It's 30 items. I've ordered another 40 items. I think some more are coming tomorrow, which is Friday. So today is Thursday. I'm going to try and get this video up and upload it. It'll probably go up on Monday. So that's probably what I'm going to try to do now. I'm probably going to try and upload on Mondays as often as I can, hopefully weekly. I'll do my absolute best. But yeah, so it's Thursday today, and my stock came yesterday, and I've got it all hanging up here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through each size, we're going to go through each item, and I'm going to show you what we've got in the stock. So we're going to start off, we've got this CP Company Ready Orange jumper. Now CP Company, yeah, I find it quite mad because this jumper here is a medium and it fits me, and I wear like XL jumpers. So this is 24 pit to pit. Now let me know in the comments if you've ever known CP Company to be doing 24 pit to pit in a medium hoodie. It's an absolute first for me. They normally come up small. I recommend people to size up in CP. So for me, if I'm a large, I'd definitely buy an XL CP Company jumper. But this is a medium, fits an XL. I've tried it on, it actually fits an XL. Up next, we've got this CP Company medium knitted quarter zip. This is a gorgeous color. It's that really soft knit material. This is medium, and it comes in 21.5 pit to pit. It'll be like a little bit spacious in the medium. It's not going to be a tight fit, which is really nice for a knit. Because again, I normally say if you're a medium, get a large knit so you can size down. But this one's actually 21.5 pit to pit, which is actually really nice. So that'll fit a medium really nicely. Then we got this CP Company Chrome Art overshirt, and this is in like a mint green color. And this one is a size large, again 22.5 pit to pit, so a nice generous size for a large. Then we got this beautiful khaki CP Company goggle zip up hoodie. These are absolutely gorgeous. Look at the color and look at the texture. I love a brand new CP Company jumper. They just feel so soft and really nice heavy material for winter to keep you warm. Large, and that was 22.5 pit to pit as well. Up next, one of the very special pieces in the drop. Look at this, it's like an ivory white color, and it's a garment dyed crinkle reps windbreaker. I'll tell you what, people like the quality of the new stuff. I don't know whether it's just getting better this year, because people have always said obviously the older stuff is better quality and the newer stuff, the standards have slipped. I don't think so, man. This is 2025. This is in shops right now. I'll tell you what, it is insane quality. It is very nice. If you looked after this, it will last you years and years and years. It's really nice, heavy materials, top quality, and yeah, I absolutely love it. This one's a large and it's 23 pit to pit. I'll tell you what, this would definitely be one of the pieces that I would love to keep if I could keep as many as I can. I've got my eye on a few pieces in my collection right now. If they don't sell in the next few weeks, I'll probably be keeping some. But yeah, this is definitely one of those pieces. Absolutely beautiful, that is. Then we got this beautiful baby blue CP Company hoodie. This one is in a size large and it's 24 pit to pit. So again, very generous from CP. This is the same pit to pit as the medium orange one. These are exactly the same size. make it make sense. One's a large, one's a medium, and they're both exactly the same size, and they both probably fit up to an XL, or they'll be like an oversized large. But yeah, I think that's really good. I'm liking the fact they're doing this. I hate it when you buy a size and it comes up too small. I don't mind it being a bit too big, because I don't mind a bit of an oversized look. When it's too small, there's nothing worse than that, is there? So yeah, really, really nice from CP there. Really, really nice colour. And we got this in large, and we've also got one in 3XL. And the 3XL one, again, 29 pit to pit. That is really nice for the 3XL boys. It's not going to be tight fitted. It's going to be nice, relaxed. That's exactly what you want when wearing a light coloured jumper. And yeah, so we've got 2 of those in, one in large, one in 3XL. Okay, up next, we've got CP Company soft shell. We got one in light grey with the goggles, and we also got one in dark grey. So we've got these 2 in XL, light grey and dark grey, and these again are 25 pit to pit. So again, a nice generous sizing, not small. They're going to come up really nice. You can wear a hoodie under them, you'll be absolutely fine. Pretty true to size for XL, or potentially a small 2XL. If you're not wearing the jumper underneath, I probably think you might be all right. But obviously check your pit to pit measurements when you are buying Stoney and CP, but they're really, really nice. And then they've got the goggles as well. Then we got this garment dyed crinkle reps puffer coat, and this one is in a mad electric blue color. Look at that. This one's an XL, and it's 26 pit to pit, so plenty of room in that if you are an XL for a jumper underneath when it gets absolutely blitzed like we all know it's going to. Perfect condition. This still has the tags. Obviously this one isn't new with tags, but it still has the tags, so that's how you know it's barely been worn. You can even tell by the badge it's literally barely been worn. Now, as a reseller, sometimes when I get my stuff in, obviously I buy it in the condition that I know I'm going to get it in, right? Sometimes my supplier, he's dealing with lots and lots and lots of stock. He doesn't always notice if there's a little mark or a little whatever. So when I get it, I have to thoroughly check it, make sure it's all okay. Fortunately, in this drop, there was a couple things. I'm going to go through it with you now. So this here is a Naslan Light Watro Down TC. As you can see, it's a fishtail Parker downfield coat, and it's fucking beautiful, to be honest with you. Absolutely gorgeous. Really nice design there with that layer there, and it's really smart, really puffy. Tagged a medium, but it is definitely fitting an XL, and I'm gonna prove it to you now. I'm 23 pit to pit. I wear XL jumpers. I don't wear XL coats, but there is so much room in this. Loads of room in this, you know. I could probably get away with it, but I would say XL 100%. Like, this goes down just above my knees. This goes down to, and it's really, really nice, really, really smart. But the unfortunate thing is, I bought this new without tags, so it's got the arm tags, but it hasn't got the swing tags, which I was aware of. That's absolutely fine. But unfortunately, in the storage, what's happened is where it was moved or where it was stored. If you look really close, there you go, can you see that mark there, that little mark there, that little line there? It's a little like scuff or something. It's obviously happened where it's come in the lorry, or it's been stored in a warehouse somewhere, it's been scraped. Now this stuff unfortunately does happen. I spoke to my supplier, and what he does is he just gives me a bit of credit for my next order, and we work it out that way, so I get their money off, so I can always sell it that little bit cheaper to you guys, because obviously I'm not going to get the money I expect for it. I've got to lower the price of the item. So yeah, unfortunately this one is discounted. This is a £1,250 jacket, and I say it's brand new without tags, and I'm selling it for about £400 over on the website. So that's like a third of the price for a brand new jacket with a tiny little scrape on it, which, to be honest, if I was buying that, I wouldn't care. Up next, we've got this nylon metal Watro ripstop jacket. How stunning is that? Look at the colour on that. That is absolutely beautiful. But again, unfortunately, we found a couple little things. What we did find was, can't really show you, even with the light. It is so minor, man. This is the thing, as a reseller, I want to be as bang on with you guys as possible. But most of the time, it's really hard to see these things. If I put that there, yeah, can you see that little white line? Tiny little white line there, you can kind of see it. So that's one of them. And then the next thing is, I'm just going to put the picture on there because I can't even show you. It's there, right? On the picture, it's here. You can barely see it. You will never see it unless you're looking for it. Of course, I cannot be selling you guys things brand new with tags. I cannot be asking for full price that I would normally sell for when it's got a flaw. So it's got 2 tiny little flaws on it. I've discounted the price by, I think, about 60 or 70 pounds on the website. So yeah, a nice little chunk off for you. It is still brand new, and it has got the 2 tiniest little things ever, which, yeah man, I don't mind. All this stock will be available at clobberisland.co.uk, so make sure you go check out my website. I've got Instagram as well, at Clobber Island. Go drop me a follow. Also subscribe to this channel, really appreciate it, and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you very much guys. Right, we're going to carry on. Up next we've got this CP Company light grey hoodie. Really nice, really smart, similar to the other ones, but this one's got the CP Company on the back of the hood, which I think is a really nice touch. This one's an XL, and I believe this one's 25 pit to pit. Again, a very generous pit to pit. And I've also got one in 2XL, and I think that's 26 pit to pit, maybe 26.5. But yeah, both very nice, very generous sizings. Then we've got a Stone Island soft shell 2025, brand new, in the shops right now. And as I was saying earlier about the quality of the new Stone Island stuff, I think this is top quality. The detailing, the feel, the materials used, the stitching, even little touches like that, I just really think that's nice, adds a little touch, and it feels nice and heavy, feels really top quality. And this is in like a beige / stone color. They call this stone, I think it's called stone. Really nice color there. And this one's XL, and this one's 25 pit to pit as well. So yeah, a lot of 25 pit to pits coming in. Then we got the autumn winter jackets started to come in. We got the loom woven down chambers. This one here is not with a hood, but wear a hoodie under that and it will look really nice. And again, look at the color, petrol green, absolutely beautiful color. And this one's an XL, and this one's 24 pit to pit, so it's a little bit smaller, might be on the older season stuff. Coming in with a 2XL, we got a CP Company grey jumper. This one's got the zips on the side, so adds that kangaroo pouch on the front, which is a nice little touch if you want to stick your keys in there or whatnot. Then we got this nylon metal Watro jacket. This one has a Stone Island compass on the front rather than on the arm, and it's navy blue, brand new with tags. Unfortunately, this one, I'll put some pictures on screen right now for you. On the zips, there's just a little bit of whitening, which I think is like a factory defect. Doesn't affect the zips in any way, shape or form. And yeah, unfortunately, it's one of those things. Again, I've discounted this item for you. If that is something you'd be interested in buying, let me know guys if you are interested in buying like the Flawed items. If you're not super bothered, I'd love to know your guys' thoughts on it. Does it really put you off? If you're getting like 60-70 quid off, are you happy? Are you just like, yeah, cool, you don't really see it? Does it not affect you? Let me know. It'd be really interesting to know. There's nothing I can do about it, because once I've got the item, I've got it. Do you know what I mean? I just need to sell it. So it's not something I'm choosing to buy. It's something that sometimes I just get and it happens. Then we got another loom woven down. This one's like a darker green, and it's brand new with tags again. And it's again no hood on this one. I think this one's 25.5 pit to pit, this one. So lovely size. Then we got a 26 pit to pit loom woven in 2XL, and this one's like a mint green color. The lighting is not showing the color very well. It's not. This color does not like being picked up on lights for some reason. It just looks white. It's actually like a really light green, like a lime light green. This one has a hood, 2XL. Up next is a contender for one of the best. I know that one there was one of the best, but this one might be as well. This is a soft shell, Stone Island soft shell jacket with prime loft insulation in it. So that adds that extra bit of warmth for you for the winter. It's more of a winter coat. It's got the prime loft insulation inside. Absolutely beautiful that. These retail for £800. I think I'm selling mine on the website for £500. £300 off, almost half price. It's a really good price for this kind of jacket. This will definitely be keeping you warm in the winter, and beautiful color as well. It's got that icy blue color to it, absolutely stunning. Then we've got some CP Company cargos. These are navy blue ones. They are straight leg and they're really nice. They're ergonomic fit, so they're sort of like that mid-ground loose. They're not slim fit, regular fit type. Got these in 34 and a 38 waist. Got the exact same ones in khaki, and these are 34 and 38 waist available as well. And then to finish off, we got these nylon cargos. These are in like a light blue color. These are 32 waist. Who doesn't love a pair of nylon cargos? Especially if you've got a rave coming up, or a festival, or a holiday. Perfect to combine with your stony tees. So yeah guys, that was a stock drop. Let me know which item was your favorite. I'm gonna have more stock coming, so there'll be another video coming out very soon. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit like on the video. I look forward to speaking with you guys in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.